These are my overlooked design decisions, those small details that can have a big impact. And today is number 12. If you're doing a laundry room or a utility room or anywhere where you have your washing machine and tumble dryer, try not to have them either under the counter or double stacked on top of each other, because one of them is always going to be a little bit too high. If you have the space, stack them next to each other and put them at kind of counter height. Then you've got space for a laundry basket to go underneath. And I like to build in a drawer that fits underneath the washing machine and tumble dryer, just a thin drawer that you can pull out, put your laundry basket on and empty your laundry into it. And it just keeps everything contained in one area. Don't forget to keep following me for more of my overlooked design decisions. There are 8 more to go.